of the dreaded complications is, as mentioned before, deformity from the ankylosis, from the loss of muscles, muscle bulk because of immobility. And of course, the spine being an area which is very rich in nerves and nerve roots, and through which the spinal cord passes through, we are concerned about a condition called cauda equina, where there's severe compression of the nerve roots, and that can cause numerous significant disabilities, including bladder disturbances, loss of continence, pain and weakness in the legs, numbness in the perineal region, and sometimes even sexual dysfunction. Okay. Now, one would argue, well, Doc, you just said just now that, in AS, we form too much bone. So why do we see this dreaded picture of a fracture? And so, the bone that is newly formed in AS, or the excess bone that is formed in AS, is actually unhealthy bone, or bone of inferior quality to normal bone. And inflammation in itself predisposes patients to develop osteoporosis or brittle bones. And so in the later part of this talk, I'll be talking about the importance of maintaining good bone health. Okay, so just remember that immobility can result in a self-fulfilling vicious cycle of a downward spiral in terms of disability, increasing pain, and other issues as well. Okay. When we talk about long-term inflammation, we also talk about, uncontrolled inflammation, and there are conditions which, although fairly rare, can cause significant damage to other organs. So one of these conditions is called amyloidosis. It's where the inflammatory cells form abnormal proteins that deposit in the kidney, causing kidney damage. It may also deposit in other parts of the body, including the skin and the heart, and that too causes further problems. Inflammation in itself also predisposes individuals to develop what we call atherosclerosis, or hardening and narrowing of the blood vessels due to cholesterol deposition. And this tends to occur prematurely and may be accelerated if the inflammation is not under control, thus putting individuals at risk for heart attacks and also strokes as well.